So today I have another card kit of the month. This is an old one. This is called Hang With Me, and it was done in August 2019, which is almost a year from now, which will be like 2 months. So in here it includes you get 10 cards and envelopes, 8 pieces of cardstock, a set of 15 dies, pattern paper, memory cards, a stamp set, sequins, die cut shapes, layer stickers, and the foam squares and adhesive tape. So again, once again, this would be good like if you wanted to go away and do some crafting. Everything you have is deep in here, maybe some scissors maybe, but pretty much you have everything in here. So here, let me show you the stamp set. So you have this is a sloth. Let's see, get it out the paper here. So it says relax, slow down, it's your birthday, take it easy, hang out with people who make you smile, don't worry, don't hurry, be happy. And you got soft, some flowers and some leaf. That's the set. Oh yes, and you got a balloon, not balloon, party hat. So if you want, you can turn him into a birthday sloth. And also you have there. This is the dies to make the sloth. Okay, so this makes it look like, you know how you see like this? So here's the branch and some flowers, and you can make this well. Look just like this one here. I'm not sure if you can snip it and cut it. I'm sure you could. So here is the memory cards. Wow, I was only expecting like a few in here, but no, you get quite a bit in here actually. So you get 2 every one. So you get adventures, don't stop believing, believing. That's funny. Life is about moments. Positive mind, positive vibe, positive life. Beautiful minds inspire others, make life epic. Oh, okay. Oh, that's some point. Oh, they double sided. Okay, I did not know that. So here you got like I guess you could turn into a calendar. This one is Life is Peachy. Oh, that's the same one. Enjoy it all. This one is Relax, because it's a day. And you can check what kind of day it is. And this is the best start day started like this. And then you have surfing with those. So precarious. And you have this pretty purple. Then you have lazy day, but it's okay. Then you have where you can write a diary, what, where, when. Blow out the candles. And then you have this one, more lace. That. Nature. Discover. Coffee. Cake. Tiger. Life lessons. This one is a tree, a plant hanging. Sunday. Dare to be different, noting. You have the bigger ones. Go where you feel the most alive. These also double-sided, but you want to get one of those. Some shoes, that's purple. Some palm trees. Car and Harry. So no eating while Harry, no wild hearts, one free. On my playlist. Love to hang out. Decorations. Thanks for being you. List to do. This one. And happy thoughts in this one and this one. So yeah, there's some nice ones in there. And I usually don't make cards with memory cards, but why not? So put these back in here. So that's that. And you have some stickers. You have 3 packs of stickers. So I guess these are these puppet stickers that are raised. And then you have some words. And they have like gold on them, like you had like made out of gold, and they can like reflect. And then you have some stickers that says yay, the best, stuff like that. So that's nice to get 3 packs of stickers this time. And you get some blue screens. They're like incandescent. And here's your paper bag. So once again, you get, I think, was it 2 last sheet of everything, I think, and then 1-sided. Oh, that's so cute. And he's in purple. Oh, I can't wait to use that one right there. And then once again, they have like it's like a copper foil they have on it. That's what it is. It's copper foil. Oh, that's cute too. That's pretty too. I love they got lots of purple paper in here. Oh, can't wait to use this one. This is cute. This is so. Okay, did I see that one already? Can't remember if I saw that one again, but I'm pretty sure we're starting over again. Yes, we are. We're starting over again. So that's some pretty papers. I love all the purple in there. That. And then here's your card pieces, envelopes, foam tape, and pop dots. Just your die cuts. Go through in a minute. And then here is pattern paper and get that one out. So you have, don't know the color actually, but so you have some blue, some copper. Oh, I love this copper. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, that's really gorgeous. Some green. This is like mint green. This is like a different type of bluish green, I guess. Some white. got pink and some brown. And some pretty colors there. Okay. So, then for the die cut, let's get that on fast. Again, this what's this? I'm not quite sure what that is. I think it's a radio, maybe. So cool. Like I said, really love just colorful. I don't know if I said was told you that this turn here or not. There's some words going out. You get a whole bunch of them. It's like it's always plenty in here. Some more words. And it's like a handbag type of thing. And a slushy, an umbrella. Oh, I see. You can take this one, right? And you're gonna take this like this, and then you have a slushy drink. That'd be cute. The eyes are popping in my way. Flamingo. This is. I'm not quite sure what this is. It's just like a bomb type. I'm not sure what that is. Flags. Some flags. And this one. So that's all that comes in this pack right now of this card kit. So I'll come back with my cards that I'm making, and I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to make all 10 of them, but we'll see. Until for now. See ya. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the 10 cards I made with the card kit. Hang with me. It was an old kit from Spellbinders. It was from last year, August. So let's jump in. I'm going to show you the cards I made in the end. So this one here it was like a beach type of thing going on. I was trying to come up with. So what I did was took the slushy, you know, like on the beach where you have like the Mai Tais. So I took and put like an umbrella in the slushy, and then you have like the fruit basket, and then you have like they have sometimes like in Hawaii you have like those banners type things hanging outside. So that's what those is. And it says free to be meek because, you know, at the beach you like to be free. And then I put 2 jewels there. So that's that one. This one I was trying to go like an abstract type of thing, and so I took another one of the cards and I first cut around it, and then I took a smaller version of it and laid it in the center of it, and I put a tiny jewel in the middle of it. This one is I took another pad of paper, and I took another of those project cards, and then I took. They had coffee on the back of them. So I took the second one and I first cut the coffee off it, and I laid on here, and this statement says, beauty begins the moment you begin to see, what does it say? Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Hashtag time for myself. That's what this one is. This one here was, so you know, I'm not sure what kind of animal this is, but anyway, so I took a Yay sticker, and it says catcher, because he was a wild child, so he was catcher, and you're happy because now he's catcher. And then the first sticker and said, I will go link this because whatever, he was like, oh boy. So this one is. This one here, I took one of those stickers, and it says, just to be you, and put some flowers behind it. And then I took that attitude and I put it on some cardstock to give it like a little border around it to pop it up more. And then I took two of the stickers, two of the flowers, and layered it together and put a jewel in the center. And then down here it says, "Born to be sassy." Because, you know, anyone that knows me, I'm a very sassy person, and you're not gonna say anything you want to me. And so it's kind of like, sort of, because, yeah. Anyway, so this one has 3 pattern papers I mixed together, and then I took two of the regular ones and the sticker one of the flamingos, and put the vowels, and it says "Happy Days" in here. I don't know the measurements of these pattern papers because I just cut them down, and because I'm not angry, I don't have to do it. And I was actually even able to make a birthday card out of here, out of the set. So what I did was took the sticker lights, and I took 2 of the birthday cakes and I laid them together to pop it up. And I took some sticker flowers, and then I put this in the red that says "Celebrate." And I really like that one, how it turned out in the end. Then also I made, this one is a sloth, and I put him on some sloth pattern paper, and I die cut out a tray and I laid a sticker of sloth on here, and the sentiment says "Always dreaming." Then I made one with plants, and I took, this one has like a 3D leaves on there, and this is more like a flat version of it. And I put a leaf out the sentiment that says "All things grow with love," meaning if you have love, you can grow the flower. So, and then for my last card here, I took some purple pattern paper, and then I took another one of those project cards, and I first cut the second one and popped up the Trinium, and it says "Back to Nature," and I put a plant sticker on it. So this is all 10 of my cards. I came up with the cards at the end. I really think they turned out really nice. Thank you for stopping by. Like and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.